Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to share something with you. Arteza, as you know, I'm an affiliate for them, and I use all of their products. I absolutely love their products. I promote their products on my Facebook groups and everything because I believe in them. You know that I will not promote a product, I will not sell a product that I do not use myself or believe in. And most of the time it's both of them. But they sent me a Christmas gift, and I wanted to share it with you. And I will have links to all of these products below, as well as a coupon code that you can get 10% off of any of these products if you want to go over there and choose them. So I'm going to set this big box down. It's huge. So this one was actually wrapped real pretty. They all come in that big red box. So someone took the time and wrapped this one up for me. I thought that was absolutely sweet. I don't get a lot of Christmas presents from companies, so I'm always excited when I do. And I was so excited I wanted to share this one with you guys. Sorry about the ripping of the paper, but I wanted to open this on camera. Oh, let's see, make sure I got everything out of there. Oh, cute. Okay, I think I know what this is. This is the paper that it just looks black, doesn't it? But if you take this, it's just a wood stump. If you take this and you write on it, as you see, my E, there we go. You see? It is beautiful underneath. So isn't that pretty? So they sent me a pack of that. This is the little scrubber that you can scrub some of it off with. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't think all of them through here are the same, have the same backing. Some of them are rainbow. Let's see what it says. 24 sheets. Vibrant colors, rainbow pattern sheets. So I guess all of them in there are rainbow, but that'll be pretty. I like the rainbow. So I'm going to put my little stump in here. And then put my little eraser right there. Alright, so let's go to another one. That is so sweet. Absolutely love that. This is something new. I have not seen these in their store before. Of course, I haven't got to look in the last 2 or 3 weeks. I haven't got to look to see what they've got new. So let's see. These are cold pressed watercolor paper pads. Ooh, very, very nice. These are the cold pressed, so they've got a little bit of texture on them on one side, but I think the back side is smooth, so that'd be good. One side is smooth and one side's not. So this is cold pressed, dual sided, acid free, natural linen bound, expandable inner pocket. Expandable inner pocket. Oh, I see. Look, it has a plastic pocket here on the back that expands, that you can keep all kinds of watercolor things or whatever in there. If you wanted to travel and do your watercoloring in here, or even sketching, whatever, this would be wonderful. Ideal for watercolor techniques and mixed media. Ooh, can't wait to get into those. And then they have the rubber band that goes around them. So they sent me 3 of those. These are the 5.5 by 5.5 inch, and that's 110 pound cardstock. All right. Then we got, what did we get here? 12 metallic gouache colors. Ooh, I don't have any gouache. This will be fun to play with. Let's see what's in here. I got an early Christmas present. So, ooh, these are the metallic gouache. Ooh, isn't that nice? So I get to play around with those. 12 different colors. Gold, silver, bronze, pearl orange, pearl bubblegum, pearl scarlet, pearl purple iris, pearl aqua blue, pearl emerald green, pearl eucalyptus, pearl noir, pearl white rose. Oh my goodness. Those are going to be pretty to play with. Then, of course, they give me a card, and on the back it says, Happy Holidays, Love Arteza. Then I got, these are the Everblend art markers. I've got some of their art markers, but I don't have these that are the solid colors in a pack like this. Let's see what these are. These are sky blue is this color. So what the art markers are is one thing that I love about these is you can see they have that barrel that's kind of triangular shaped so they don't roll all over the place on your table. And then this end is like a bullet tip, and it's very, very easy to either draw with or color with in those little intricate places. Then on this end you have the chisel tip where you can color the big wider areas. So that is nice. And then this one looks like these are, let's see if I can see what color these are in here. Maybe I can see it on here. No, they don't have it on that one. So let's see. These are fuchsia. I was trying not to take it out of the plastic. So those are fuchsia. You can buy these in 4-packs now, or you can buy it all in the big pack that has one of every color in it. So I love that. And I have heard, I don't know, don't quote me on this. Arteza might get me for even saying this. But I have heard that they are going to start having refills for some of their pens. So keep a lookout for that. These are alcohol-based ink, so you can use them with any of your other alcohol markers, like your Copics. You can use these with those. Your Nors, any of them, anything that's alcohol-based, you can use these with. You just combine them. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. This is a different kind of bag. It's kind of squishy. Okay, these are acrylic colors. Ooh, and they're in the little tube. A lot of the companies are going with these tubes now. That is neat. Let's see what color this one is. This is light apricot, so it would be that color that's on there. And then this one is cobalt blue. So those are going to be fun to play with. I'll have to do some tutorials and play around with those. Then we have watercolors. Ooh, okay. I have some watercolors, but I don't have anything that's this small. This would be nice to carry around when you go to out of town on vacation or whatever, and you go and want to do some watercoloring. Not that I'm great at watercoloring, but I love to play around with it. Oh, this is one of those nice tins. It's got the, I think, the half pan watercolors inside. Let's see. This is neat. I'm excited. Can you tell I'm excited? My hands are all shaky. And there's your little handle on the back. Oh, how cute. Oh, yeah. These have the little pans in there. Let's pull this out. Oh, okay. So there's our little pans. And they clip down in there. And then you can use these for your palettes to do your coloring, whatever. You can use this to set it up a little bit if you want to. Use that little thing on the back to set it up so it'll face you. Isn't that neat? I am going to enjoy that. And then this is your water pen that came with it, and it's just the right size. You can put water in the barrel here, and then you just squish the water out until this gets all soft. And then you can water these up and do your watercoloring. So this is a nice travel pan right here that would be good to just throw in your bag and go with you. I love that. Thank you so much, Arteza. This is wonderful. I'm loving everything. All right, let's see. I think I have maybe one or two more. Okay, we have this. Let's see what this is. I think this is glitter. And they have some of the best glitter. And I'm not a big glitter fan, but they have some of the best glitter out there. Now this is a multi-purpose Radiant Colors non-toxic holographic chunky glitter. This is their chunky glitter. I don't know if you can see it in there. It's a little bit bigger, but then they also have a very fine glitter, and it comes in a big pack. I'll link it below. I've got some of that, and it is very, very fine. You can use it on all sorts of projects, but these would be really good to put in shaker cards. I don't think you can see that, but there's little stars in there, in that. And I think there's little stars in that one too. So they're little chunky glitters. Let's see what it comes in. Ooh, they come in little. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. Maybe it'll show up to where you can see it. It's really glossy. It looks like it has some little hearts and stars and rectangles, different things in there. And they come in this nice container. There you go. You can see that one. Isn't that nice? Ooh, like that. Okay, then these are water-based ink blendable non-toxic pens. So let's see if I can get into these. Okay, so this is tomato red. It's the color of this. Let's see if I can get a piece of paper. We'll get one of these Tim Holtz pieces here. And this is cold pressed paper too. Ooh, isn't that pretty? That looks just like a tomato. So these you can blend and color in. That's neat. And then this one is a fresh green. So we have red and green. That's Christmas. I bet they were thinking about that when they sent these out. See if we can get into this one. This side. There we go. See what this one looks like with that. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? That looks Christmassy. Isn't that pretty? I like that. So these, I have a few of these, and these color really, really well. Like I said, they are water-based, non-toxic. Absolutely great. They're the real brush pens. If you have ever used some of those other real brush pens that a lot of people use, they're very, very expensive. I think a set of those is, close to $200 for a big set. These are not. These are inexpensive, but they color, to me, they color better than the other ones. I have a few of those other ones, and these color a lot better, I think. But that's just my opinion. Some people like the other ones. I just like the tip on these. Let's see if I can show you the tip. The tip seems to be a lot finer, as you can see, so that you can get to those little tiny spots. So it just seems to be a lot finer tip than some of those other more expensive ones. So that is what I got. I think that's everything that was in the box. Yep, that's everything. That is what I got from Arteza. And like I said, I will put links to these products down below, as well as a coupon code where you can get 10% off. And I think right now they're running a promotion. Hopefully it won't be gone by the time you view this, but I think they're still running a promotion for Cyber Week. So I think there's another code in there that you can use on it, or they may already have the discount taken off. But I'll link all the information and everything below. And I would appreciate it, since they did send me a Christmas gift, if you guys would just go over and check them out. Whether you buy anything or not, just go over there and check them out. And we will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye-bye.